Good morning mga chika-nanay. Kahapon nagbagyo dito sa Lebanon. Kaya yan ang resulta. Nagbagyo kahapon sa Lebanon. Tingnan nyo ang resulta. Yan mga alikabok. Yan. Super kahapon. Nagbagyo sa Lebanon. Yan ngayon ang view sa Lebanon. Hindi pwede mag-live. Punta ako mga kachika-nanay sa baba. Dahil, tingnan nyo yan no, mga kachika-nanay. Dahil, sabi ng amo ko, kukolekta daw ako ng mga fruits daw. Kaya yun, punta ako ngayon sa baba, mangulik ako ng mga fruits. Yan yung ng caretaker dito, tarak-tarak. Tingnan nyo, dahil nagbagyo kahapon, akala ko walang bagyo sa Lebanon. Meron pala. Super ang hangin. Kung sa Pilipinas pa, ang dami ng na-damage na mga bahay. Dito, iwan ko, hindi na-damage ang mga bahay. Yan ang mga bahay nila. Hindi naman na-damage. Grabe na hangin. Grabe. As in, yan. Hindi naman na-damage ang mga bahay nila. Ay, mahirap talaga ang mahirap. Dahil ito yung, kung sa Pilipinas pa yon, Diyos ko, Maria. Pagka 2 minutes, after 2 minutes sa pangyayari, kasalukuyan pang nagbabagyo, andyan na agad-agad yung mga media na bla bla bla. Daming bahay nga nasira, ganun. Pero dito, sus. Ito yung anong tawag nito? Fig daw to. 10. Okay, 10. So yung tingnan nyo, yan. Yes, kukolektahin ko siya. 10 daw ito siya, 10. Op. Yan. See? Look at. This is the fruits. Oh my gosh, look at this. What is the inside? You like it, the inside? This is 10. There is more. Ay. What is this? There is more. Oh, the bird ate this one. See? Okay. We are going to collecting. Oh, look at the grapes. Yes. Look at the grapes. Hello. Yes. This is the grapes. Look at, you like it? Hello, you want to ask the grapes? Yes, grapes. This is the tree of grapes. Kung sino pa yung hindi naka-relate sa yung tree ng grapes, ganyan lang yung kahoy niya. Yan lang yung kahoy niya, yan lang yung puno niya. Nga pala, puno ng grapes yan. Ang liit-liit. Pagdating sa dulo, tingnan nyo, nagsanga-sanga. Pagkatapos, ito yung bunga niya. Isang puno, pagdating sa dulo, nagsanga-sanga. Pagdating sa bunga, nagbunga-bunga. Yung dami ng bunga. Tingnan nyo. Okay, we're going to oh, look at this. Yes, look at this. Wow, mashallah. This is also the green grapes. These are the red grapes. This is the red grapes. This one. Yes. And this one is the green grapes. Look at this. Look at the green grapes. Mashallah. You see, look at this. How much? I told to you, isang puno lang. Only one puno. After, pagdating sa dulo, nagsanga-sanga. Pag about naman sa bunga, nagbunga-bunga. Look at. Yes. Oh my gosh, I wish nga meron din kami doon sa bukid na I wish na tutubo rin yung grapes doon sa bukid namin. Doon sa malamig na area. Oh, look at. This is my first time. Oh my gosh. Yes. Look at these grapes. Oh wow, mashallah, mashallah. And then we have another also red color. The red one. Wow. Wow, my gosh. See how the bunga, I don't know bunga in English, what it's called, like the bunga in English. I will research up there. Oh, you see, one puno. Isang puno lang yan, mga kachikananay. Isang puno. Pagkatapos ng isang puno, yes! Oh my gosh. And then we have also, anong tawag nito? Blackberry. We have blackberry. Yes, blackberry. But the blackberry, the trees is like that. Very thin. Thin, yes. But, and then this is the result. Blackberry. Yes. Blackberry. Too much blackberry. Yes, 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 yes. Yes. Blackberry. I will try one of blackberry. One of blackberry. Sweet and sour mix. Ay, blackberry. Hello, blackberry. This is the blackberry. Okay. Now we are going to somewhere. Where was the other? We are going to Oh my gosh, mamulak ko og apple. Apple is falling down. I will collecting from the soil. Look at this. Look at this, the apple, because of the bagyo yesterday, the typhoon yesterday, typhoon of Lebanon. I think no typhoon in Lebanon. But that is the first time. How many times I come to Lebanon? But that is the first time. That is the tree of apple. Yep. Lo, that is the apple.